my buffalo tater chips. It will change your life. Let's get started here. I just have some deli sliced turkey that I had in the refrigerator, and I want to cube it up so that I can sprinkle it over the tater chips, because you want to make sure that every bite you get has some turkey in it with the tater chips. And if you don't have turkey, guess what, guys? You can use deli sliced chicken here, or you could use ham if you wanted to. So what we're gonna do, I just have wavy chips. Look at them, they're just beautiful wavy chips. They're on a lined baking sheet. You just kind of feather that turkey up in there, and you just want to push it apart, so it's almost like dealing cards. You're just pushing the little squares, the cubes of turkey apart. Alright, so now I have some blue cheese crumbles, and if you don't like blue cheese, you can also use feta, or you can use like crumbled goat cheese, works well here. Alright, and then I have some just ready-made, and if you want to, you can make your own buffalo sauce, but this is ready-made, just my favorite out of a jar. And I'm just going to drizzle right over the top so that all the chips and the turkey and the cheese gets a little bit of that buffalo sauce right on top. We want to place this in our oven that's preheated, honey, at 350 degrees. After the buffalo chicken chips have baked, you'll see that the cheese is starting to melt. And that's what we want. All that buffalo sauce has sunk down into those and penetrated that tater chips and all of that wonderful turkey that's on there. What is your favorite thing that goes with a good hot wing? Honey, that's right, it's celery. I love the crunch of celery with my hot wings or anything I'm eating buffalo sauce with. So I just want to dice these up real fine, because I won't have enough to go all over them chips. So just sprinkle your celery right on over the top. Let's add us a little bit of ranch dressing. Now this is the easy way to do it. If you got one of those big jars of ranch dressing in your refrigerator like I got, honey, just get you a zip top bag and put what you want in there, and then cut the corner off of it. And then you can drizzle the ranch dressing over. Oh my goodness, look at that, honey. That right there is enough to make the neighbors come a-calling, honey, because they can smell this and they want some too. Lord, honey, children, let me tell y'all, this will be your next go-to midnight snack. I hope you enjoy. I'm gone, y'all.